how to insert the memory card of this GoPro Hero 11 Black. So okay guys, I use this SanDisk Extreme memory card 128 gig. Okay guys, first open the battery cover here. Okay, you can see the gap. Okay, fall out to open. Okay, once the battery cover is open, so okay guys, here you can see the large screen of this GoPro Hero 11. So okay guys, to insert the memory card of your GoPro Hero 11 Black, okay, so make sure the memory card name is same of this screen. Okay, you can read on this side of this screen. So okay, you can see the memory card slot here. So okay, insert like this the memory card, and once you insert, you can see the memory card is bounce. Once it bounce, okay, push to lock or insert properly the memory card. And okay, that's it. I've successfully inserted the memory card of GoPro Hero 11 Black. And okay guys, to remove again the memory card, you'll have to do is push once the memory card, and you can see the memory card is now ready to remove.